In this module, you learn how to extend an existing Active Directory environment into Microsoft Azure. You place infrastructure as a service virtual machines configured as domain controllers into an Azure Virtual Network subnet. Contoso, a financial services company in London and New York, is modernizing its IT infrastructure, moving from Windows Server 2012 R2 on-premises to Windows Server 2019. Their current operational model is outdated, with limited automation and reliance on dated technology. The IT team is now exploring Azure capabilities to modernize. A key challenge is defining and managing cloud identities to authenticate and authorize users accessing company resources, extending from on-premises into the cloud. Contoso is considering deploying domain controllers on Windows Server VMS in Azure IaaS, but also evaluating Microsoft Entra ID and Entra domain services. A proof-of-concept environment is being set up to verify if Azure can meet these modernization goals. This involves deploying and configuring ADDS domain controllers, a replica DC, and a new ADDS forest on an Azure virtual network. The goal is to determine the ideal solution for Contoso's identity modernization, ensuring a secure and efficient transition to the cloud. Welcome to ADDS Guide for Directory and Identity Services in Azure. Deploy domain controllers on Azure VMS for directory and identity services. Choose Azure AD, Azure ADDS, or ADDS on Azure VMS. Deploy domain controllers, create VNet, configure security groups, VMs with static IPs. Replica domain controller follows similar steps in same VNet with correct DNS settings. Set up ADDS forest on Azure VNet for isolated environments. Master steps for robust, scalable Azure Directory services. To get the most from our learning module, understand key IT concepts. Know Windows Server Management, including ADDS, DNS, DFS, Hyper-V, and file and storage services. Know Windows Server Management tools and Microsoft technologies: compute, storage, networking, virtualization. Know implementing and managing IaaS in Azure and Microsoft Entra ID. Know security technologies like firewalls, encryption, and Windows PowerShell scripting. Know automation and monitoring principles for advanced topics.